वर्सेस वाईल्डचं स्टार्ट हिथूनच झालं. बियर ग्रिल्स जे आहे तो आमच्या शेतात होता.
Let's go. Guys, you don't know if we got a rattlesnake, if we got a python.
फार फार अवे जंगल वी गो, वी स्टील पेरू. पेरूला राईम काय होतं रे? काय माहिती राईम काय होतं? This is a jungle, this was a big tree. This big tree had no victory, so he fall down. हे काय लॉजिक आहे?
Basically, it got burned down by these people.
Yeah,
By
but
this
there
very
was a-
people.
there was a fire for us, forest fire, not forest fire, sheti fire. This was because of there were those signal towers, electricity towers, poles that short circuited and caused a fire which burned this area. But then again, these trees were resilient. Do you understand that these trees were resilient? They grow up again.
They grew up again.
they
And
grew
let's
up
go to the center of the earth.
Center? Yeah, you want to get roasted or something? So, these are the resilient trees that grew out of this forest. This is a farm, by the way. And so we were randomly hunting for perus.
But unfortunately, we don't know if we got a snake
Huh.
or cheetah.
No cheetah found yet.
And
But
we
hope
we,
to
we
find
hope
it because I want that cheetah to eat this fellow. Bro, this guy randomly showed up at my house. Okay, I had no clue this guy had some. Oh shit. Why? Yeah. So we are at some random spot in the farm. So that's it. So many trees. It's basically a forest.
I don't think so. There's any way to travel.
This looks like someone's house. Some gorilla or something might have lived here.
Maybe
Feeling
some
me, bro?
cheetah.
Maybe cheetah. You feeling me, bro?
Let's go.
What the hell are we doing right now?
This is the perfect picnic spot for someone out. Why?
So where do you wanna go now?
And
Let's go home.
we are this
End
far.
is at that side. Okay, come, let's go to the end. If you really wanna go to.
Maybe something will happen. Someone will show up.
No, don't do that.
Maybe some ghost will say hi.
No, what? No.
I have turned my magnetic field strength meter on. Something will respond.
You're just finding ghosts in the shade.
In that very farm, 3 or 4 people have died.
So, like, imagine if someone says you that this is a farm. How would you feel?
Gross.
I don't think we can go at that. That's the end, by the way. The big tree. I
Oh
don't think we can go there.
no, it's wide.
Look at the ground. Okay, so what I say, also I don't think we can go further as well. See those huge coconut trees? That's the end of the farm. So let's go home.
One last step, if
Yeah.
we can get
One
there.
step for the mankind, huh? And second step will be in the heaven if snake comes. We can't go. Do you think we can go?
I think I can.
No, I don't think I can. If you wanna
No,
try,
no,
you
no,
can.
no. We can go there. See, we got a route there.
Oh, more like I don't wanna go.
We came this far.
No,
We came this far.
Bro, no, bro. Look at those trees, dude.
Huh?
It's scary. Scary.
It's afternoon.
Yeah, still, it's scary.
Nothing more scary than a mom. Let's go.
What the hell?
Let's go.
Why did my mom come in here? What did she do to you, bro? Seriously, we can't go any further. Look at this. No, I don't think we can. No.
It's wide.
No, I don't wanna. Look at that. Just look, bro. Just look. How many trees are there?
No, nothing.
I don't wanna go.
Maybe it's just a mirage. We need to touch with our hands. We need to feel it.
It's not One Piece, dude. You don't randomly touch it and then something else appear. If you wanna try, you can try going there.
If cheetah comes out suddenly.
Wow. I'm gonna run. I want that cheetah to have you. And then I'll come back and I'll take your phone and then I'll upload the video.
Do you think
This
you're
is why-
faster than
this is why
cheetah?
Men live shorter than women.
Do you
Not
think
longer.
cheetah will?
I said opposite, I guess. Women live longer than men.
You
That
think?
is the reason. They don't do this shit.
Okay, don't get controversial.
That's not controversy. It is what it is, dude. Have you ever seen someone go like that? Also, fun fact: this is in the town, in the city.
Hmm.
This is a farm in the city, and if you see the other farmlands connected to this, they are plain lands. This is the only place where you can find this huge trees.
Half a
It's
mile.
jungle, dude. It's jungle.
Half a mile step for a mankind. We can go
Upload
in
करून टाक YouTube वर.
further.
Huh?
Oh, we can go.
Upload this on YouTube, dude.
No, YouTube will strike down.
Dude.
See here, we can go.
Nah, I don't know. Nah. Bro, let's go home. Let's go home.
Okay, he's scared off.
It's not like I'm scared. It's
Let's
just
go.
that I'm really scared.
Also, I too wanna go home.
Let's go from this side.
Oh, let's go.
Nah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm happy.
Okay, we came this far not to leave.
At last, Popko, please don't strike me. Wait, I did a name drop.
Censored it.
Okay. So,
I think this is the very end. I think so. We can't move. Oh, we can move any further. Let's go.
bro, let's stop here. I don't know, bro. Like 3 days ago, we saw a rattlesnake on the street. That's why I'm saying.
You
it's not-
saw. You did not see it.
No, I saw.
Yes, you
And
saw.
I also saw my cat fighting it for some reason. It's not fighting,
For
it was
some
not-
reason, animals fight for their survival.
Yeah, but for some reason, my cat was like, this rattlesnake was going away, and my cat was like, nah, you stay here.
Because he
He was
wants his
blocking
food.
his-
And this is the complete exit. We can't go any further. There's no
Yeah.
step.
Yeah, okay, this is the end. Pretty much. Okay, let's go back.
Wait, just
Oh
let-
man, where do you want to go now?
Okay, where does your farm end?
That.
Let's go.
Bro, you can literally look at from here.
See, we need to check whether it's the end or not, whether they are spying
Bro,
or
I know where my farm ends, dude. I know this place, bro. I have lived here for like 20 years.
you haven't
21
traveled this
actually.
far for 20 years.
Yeah, I'm 21 by the way. If someone says.
When's your birthday?
I don't wanna say.
When was the last time you came this far?
Yeah, around a year ago.
So you do really come here just to wipe your ass?
No, that's it.
I-
That's the end.
Oh,
That way.
yep, that's the end.
Okay, so let's go back.
Feel it. Why do you want to run
There's
away?
something right there. I see something yellow. Holy shit, what is that? Oh no, it's a. I don't understand what it is. It's a.
It's a crappy joke.
It's a. Oh shit, there's thorns. I got hurt, dude. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. That's the end, basically. So this is where Bear Grylls survived when he was like 3 years ago.
No, we need to get back.
Yeah.
People don't know if we'll get back to safety.
Okay, okay, let's go.
What was the way we came in?
Now you're the guide, okay?
Okay.
I'll be following your directions. I don't know where we are.
Let's go. Record.
What do I record? You.
Record.
Okay, go ahead.
This is the first time I'm bad with directions. That's why.
A man in
I'm
the
more-
jungle. A civil man in the jungle with some specs. He's trying to look for his way. Where he is unable to find it. Because he is lost.
I mostly don't.
Lost in this cruel world. He does not know what he wants.
Oh.
He does not know why he is here. He is in existential crisis.
Okay, where?
He's just in existential crisis.
Let's go there.
Okay, another man says he wanna go at that side. But I think sometimes in life you take the wrong decisions. And this definitely, my friend, was one of them. Because the way is that side. And why do I know this? Because I have lived here.
And that's because I never stepped here.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Holy
Oh.
shit. Oh shit, it was thick. the the fruits. So where do you say we go?
Forward march.
Let's go.
How far did we came?
How far we came in the life?
Did we come from here? Or
I do not know, man. You are the one who's leading the way right now. It is you who, therefore, will lead the way.
what's the bad
Even though
thing-
wrong, even though right.
What's the most?
But to survive, we have to fight. Oh man, something came in my eyes.
I think we found a thing from where we started.
Nah, you want a hint? You want a hint?
Maybe.
Do you think we came here before?
I don't think so.
Yeah, exactly. That's the hint. That's the hint. We have never been here before.
See, this is a discovery. We need to find our ways. We need to find the path.
This is the tree found by Mr. Keshav.
I think we need to go that way.
Yeah, and sometimes you take some decisions. You follow some path.
But we need to follow that way. That's the open path.
Sometimes the right way was right in front of you, but somehow you still managed to get the wrong.
Let's go.
The one before this was the right one. But man,
My friend here commenting the right path which I never seen follow.
yeah, sometimes to reach a destiny, it's not just single path. When there is no way,
Okay, that way looks.
yeah, when there is no
Wrong.
way home, sometimes man just decides that he is on the right path. But to his surprise, he was on the right path, but he never stepped forward. And this is not one of those instants, because this is the wrong path.
I don't think so.
Bro, no man, no. Let's go back, okay?
I never seen this.
The man has stepped into unknown. The road not taken.
Oh, that's the path. See, we
Holy
will
shit.
go through that.
He found the path,
Yep.
but the hard way.
Let's go.
Sometimes life is not easy.
Okay. Okay. Before entering through these thick bushes,
Yeah.
I need to warn you something.
Yeah. Bro,
There lies a ton of snakes. We don't know how we'll step on them. They don't wanna.
dude, but for real though, like, I'm not even kidding. There legit might be some snakes here.
Yes,
Like,
yes, I know.
nah, like, actually, and poisonous ones, okay? So, I recommend we go back and we go from that way. I
came
legit,
here.
huh?
We came here.
Nah, but we came, we saw, we also conquered, but now it's time to go back.
It's time.
Nah,
to go
I genuinely think we should not go from this way, okay? Because, dude, look at the height of this grass, okay? See, this is the grass and this is my leg. Exactly,
Who's
you
faster?
can't see it.
Who's faster, snake or human?
Snake.
A human.
In this
A
terrain,
human
it's
can run
snake.
40 kilometers per hour. At
Yeah, in
max.
grass. Try running
In
here.
grass, I can maybe 20.
Try running here.
I don't know.
Well,
if I
look
reach
at
that,
the-
if I reach that wood,
For
wood
context, this is how tall the grass is. Yeah,
maybe around my hip.
yeah. Let's
And
go
that's
back,
the tree.
dude.
That's the tree we need to reach. We need to conquer that way.
Okay, lead the way.
Okay, I will run. You follow
Yeah,
me.
but before that, you
Yes.
agree that this is all the steps that you are taking right now
Is my
is
own
your own
responsibility.
responsibility. Yeah,
Is my own responsibility.
yeah. I'm not responsible for anything that happens here. This is my farm, but I am not responsible. It is this guy. I was telling let's go back, but this guy he wanna go right there, so we are going right there. This guy's gonna lead because I don't wanna bleed.
What makes you think you will not bleed?
Yeah, because if snake comes, he'll bite you first, right? I'll run till then.
Let's go.
Yeah, see, okay. I genuinely believe that we should not go this way. Like
Okay, this is the safer way.
nah, man, that's not safe.
Okay, if I see a snake, I will run.
Okay.
Okay. You take that as a bait.
Sure. I'll just climb a tree, I guess.
You can't climb trees.
Nah, man, I can.
See,
Because we were
we find
once.
is just step one. Where's that go? Where's that direction go?
Sometimes
Sometimes what?
a man takes a decision.
Where will
Some of them are bad, some of them are good.
No, where will
And this definitely,
Where
my
the
friend,
route
is a bad decision.
No, I think that at least we should go there once.
Bro, that's not the way, okay? Let's go in that direction. We
will
have
just
not
stand
come
there,
here.
okay? We'll just stand there for a minute or so.
Why do you want to go there?
See, we'll go there, we'll come back here.
Bro,
we'll then
that's
go
the place where we saw rattlesnake like a few days ago. A little bit further in that direction. So I reckon we should go straight in that direction. That side.
there. What do you think?
Not this
Let us-
side. That side.
Let us like we'll wait for us at that way only.
Well, his family might.
He doesn't have a family. Let's go.
Oh man, he does. Sometimes. Bro, I genuinely think we should not go here.
Oh, it's
It's muddy. It's muddy, buddy.
that's what gumboots are waiting for. Okay, when I run, don't leave me alone.
Nah, I definitely will. I will and I can.
I don't think so.
Bro, let's.
Okay.
Oh shit.
A person to note, what will their parents say when they will see this video?
I don't know.
Because this will never, you will never show this, huh?
Nah. I'll upload this on YouTube.
They will see publicly.
Yeah.
So I think that's the end.
Pretty much. Yes.
Or do you know I go inside?
Nah. Let's
Our
not.
commentator here is very
Yeah.
scared. He don't want to get inside. Though I'm here fearless.
Yeah, I'm scared
But
of
lucky.
unknown. I'm scared of getting inside.
Of what?
Let's not talk about it. Let's go.
Behind me.
Sure. You lead the way. You lead the path.
I hear something. I hear something.
You lead the way. You lead the path.
No, I truly hear something.
Sometimes in life you need to take a bath.
Of
What does this sentence means is what you ask.
that?
This means nothing because this is a piece of crap.
I think that's the way. That is the way.
Sometimes in life.
Hey, commentator, don't leave me, man.
Sometimes in life, man takes a decision. This is one of those where this man
Something's down.
is somehow right,
Nothing.
or else he would have to fight
Behind me.
at night because he was
Whoa,
not
whoa,
right.
whoa.
But this time he is right,
I don't think so.
so he's gonna take a flight. Where you may ask,
You are
ask
getting
the man that
restless.
wanna take the flight.
You are getting restless. Please calm down. You're not gonna die here. I guarantee you.
Bro, I know I'm not gonna die. You might die though.
Okay, where
This
does
is-
that road lead?
This is the road not taken.
And that too. Maybe.
Nah, okay. Do a choice. Do a flip. Which direction do you wanna go? I'll be the judge if it's right or not. I will suggest you to think from where we come.
No. I think that's the way directly home. That's the way we first traveled. We
At
should go
night.
that way.
Man, I was happy. I was gonna be so happy. I was gonna say, man, take a right decision.
Ah.
But then, it turns out, he took a wrong decision even though he was right. He knew this was the path. But he's taking this. Why, you may ask? Because that's the
how
hard
should
one.
we go inside that?
You can't go inside. Because that's thorns.
That's cool.
At night you wanna watch some
Huh?
nothing.
Okay.
That was something out of my inner self. Bro, that's actually thorns, okay? That's kate. Thorns. Thorny path.
Okay, wait.
Wait,
Cameraman, wait.
Nah, you can't. That won't break. That will just break you.
Oh.
Yep, exactly. So what I say is, you take the decision. Sometimes you take right decisions. Sometimes you take wrong.
What
But
is-
this one is definitely wrong, my friend. Because the right decision was
Okay,
a
cameraman.
little bit right.
Cameraman, give me some fruits. You are holding here.
What is he gonna do with the fruits, man?
First, I'll keep them in pocket.
What the hell?
Because we
He's
are gonna
stealing
travel
my
this
fruits.
way only.
Bro, bro, you serious?
Yes.
Dude, that's genuine thorns, okay? And those, no, man, no. My pant is gonna go down, dude. It's not tight.
Okay, step 1.
Yeah, step one.
Hold that thorn. Get inside.
Oh man.
Hold 2 thorns. Get outside.
Okay, so you wanna hold with 2 fingers and then stretch it wide open.
Okay, be careful.
The path.
There might be some snakes you are not aware of.
Exactly. I definitely am aware that I am not aware of the snakes.
Okay, get inside, my cameraman.
Nah, you go, you go first, man. Cause you might leave anytime, and that's gonna like flung back to you. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
You-
how should I get inside now?
Nah, man, I definitely say you don't.
Because this is the only way.
You know, sometimes you gotta walk a little bit back. You know, you gotta, when you're moving so fast forward and then you realize that you have lost the path, then maybe you can drive in reverse gear for a few miles, you know? It's never, oh shit, this man went. Anyways, as I was saying, it's never sad or embarrassing. Ouch.
Very easy.
Okay, I got hit. Man down, man up again. Yeah, because sometimes you might want to take some step backs. Oh shit, I got hit again. Man down twice,
Have been here once.
man back. Okay, my friend, I want to tell you one thing.
Huh?
Sometimes a man says something. Something is right, something is wrong. And this, my friend, is definitely wrong. We have never heard before.
I think we should go that way.
Bro, that's where we come from. We are literally right there, like a few minutes ago.
Okay.
So what is the path that you wanna take?
That log.
The one-
Wasn't there before. We should go and check.
Sure, my friend. It is all up to you. Through and through.
My friend here is getting restless and now he's very uneasy.
Yeah, I'm pretty much uneasy because this is the road not taken.
Because this is the field he's very familiar with.
Yeah, well, this is where I've lived for 21 years. But again, you can see,
Let's go that way. Or maybe
bro, that's where we come from.
that way.
Sometimes in life, you wanna look back. You wanna
That
look
way.
a little straight and then a little right, left. Nah, man.
That way. We never visited that way. Right?
You sure?
Yeah, I think.
You definitely sure?
Yeah, I think.
Because that was the starting point.
Oh.
Sometimes, my friend, some people give advice.
Oh.
Some may be wrong, some may be right.
See, at the start of my
What I say is
at the
we
start
go.
of my commentation or maybe our commentation,
Huh.
I told you that I am wrong with direction.
Holy shit, this is the Zorro. The one that loses. Not in fight, but in life.
I think we should go that way.
Bro, that's where we come from. Like literally right now. Wasn't that the tree you came crossing by?
Maybe that way. That's the way.
Yeah, finally a man made a right decision. I don't know what rhymes with decision. Holy shit, man lost his balls. Oh wait, it turned out to be a fruit. Which falls.
Comment.
Okay, the man is gonna go straight. He's gonna find a way. A way that would take him back. Back to home, I say. But man is looking at the sun. Because he doesn't have a sun. So the sun in the
sun
sky
will set at the
represents.
west. There's the east. Where should we not?
Wait, this side or this side you mean?
We should go there. It's the north.
But do you know where my house is?
I don't think so.
Then, then why do you want to go to north?
Where is that?
Bro, my house is in south.
Who cares?
Holy shit, man, where the hell am I? What did I get myself into? You're sure you have never come through this way? Because I reckon we were taking fruits from those trees.
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Why are you going that side, bro?
No, we haven't.
I don't know where I am, man. I mean, I definitely know where I am, but I don't know where I'm going.
See, we didn't cross this path.
Well, that's the starting point we come from.
Let's go.
Sometimes in life,
We should go there. Things.
you definitely can't see something that's like home, right?
I think I see.
Yeah.
I think I see this.
Where? That side, huh?
Yes.
Not this side, huh?
I just trees we just passed through.
Oh, man.
Did we pass by here? Something?
Yeah.
When?
While when we left the house.
Or maybe there.
Nah, man, no, not that side. Bro, I say we go in this direction.
We should go there once. Or maybe here once.
I wanna go home.
We should go here once.
Bro, it's been 26 minutes. We have been recording for 26 minutes.
No, the screen sleep time is 5 minutes.
Nah, I tapped on screen. This is the way. This is the road. The road was
This isn't the road, it's a path.
the road that takes
Road
the
was
home.
different.
and you away. Away is the road.
Oh,
Away is
that's
the
path.
home.
That's the one way. I think I should go.
Man wants to go somewhere he has never been. Sometimes in life, man almost falls. Ouch. Even I'm.
Proper an hour episode.
Yeah.
You haven't been an hour.
Ask Bear Grylls to do this. Let's see what he says.
You haven't been here? Or we have?
Mm.
I
One
haven't
thing for
seen-
sure is what I
haven't
know.
seen those trees.
One thing for sure is what I know. The house is not where you go. The house stays at its place. You just have to face
That's
the harsh reality of world.
We'll rest for 2 minutes there.
Bro, are you monkey or something? Bro, we have a house like it's literally like maybe
no,
maybe
just come
20
inside,
steps
let's go.
away from here.
Let's go.
It's just that you are unable to find it.
No, we just go.
Oh
This is
man.
a small path, very small path. Nothing will happen.
Sometimes a man wants to explore
Ways of monkey.
explore more
Wait,
than
sir.
become a hoe. What did I just say?
Huh?
Nah, nothing. You know what I believe?
Panthers.
I believe in nothing.
That's why you have no dreams.
I guess.
I think that's the way.
Bro, you're literally under a tree, man. How do you want to go through a tree?
No, we,
I mean, sure, that's the way, but there's a tree in between.
monkeys can climb.
Can you though?
Homo sapiens might not.
Exactly what I meant. You know what I say?
Yes.
We
should
go
there.
back home. No, that's not what I said. Someone save me from this guy.
Oh,
There's no option to like change the camera to front,
I
right?
haven't been yet.
Nah, we have never been here. That's for sure.
See, I'm on the right way.
Bro, we have been to house, okay? We have to go to somewhere where we have been. Not somewhere we have not been to.
Okay, what will you do after getting home?
After eating, I sleep.
After getting home?
After getting, I also sleep. I want to drink some
Oh,
tea.
yeah, can you jump from here?
No. I mean, yeah, but I don't wanna.
Is that a coffin?
No.
Why?
Because no one died
Okay,
on
that's
here.
my camera. Do you have a magnetic field here?
No.
Open your phone.
No, I don't have it. No magnetic thing on my phone. I do have a
Okay,
phone.
say the,
I do have a phone. but no magnetic thing on the phone.
Okay, tell our viewers what a magnetic thing will do.
Okay, so what a magnetic field does is it generates electricity. If you have learned about Kirchhoff's laws, or law of magnetic static electric field, what is electric field? Anyways, what I mean to say is when a magnet moves
Magnet doesn't move.
and magnetic
Generates
field,
EMF.
no man, when the magnet moves and there is a copper wire right beside it,
It's a
Then
magnetic
the-
field that is
yeah, exactly. Then the magnet moves the magnetic field as well,
Is your farm?
like this. And when the magnetic field moves and a conductor is present inside it, then the electrons in the
My commentator
conductors,
here doesn't know how to explain things.
the electrons
What
in
I
the
want to say
conductor is what wants to stay at its own place because law of Newton, no, not Newton. Newton doesn't work on electrons, bro. That's a fruit.
Your fruit.
Yeah, my fruit fall. Oh shit. Bro, that's what you wanted, not me, okay? You're gonna take that home with you. But home is where you're unable to go.
We have been or not? We haven't been there.
No, definitely not.
That's one way through.
Yeah, anyways, if
I was
this guy's gonna fall, I'm gonna go back. I want this guy to fall. I want it on the video. It's clickbait. Anyways, when a magnetic field moves around a wire, I want to say it in opposite terms. When a magnetic field moves around a wire, the electrons inside a wire doesn't want to move because they are so lazy. They want to stay on their own place. They want to sleep. But this stupid magnetic field, just like this person, he wants the magnet electrons to move also. Bro, I legit think that we should not come here. But
I think here cheetah might run into us.
yeah, definitely.
Or we might
Yeah.
run into cheetah.
But just like this guy is making me move, that's the way magnetic field makes electrons move, which thereby
I think I should go.
generates the motion of electrons. And the motion of electrons is what?
Record this.
Oh shit. So the motion of electron is what known as current. And that's the situation we are in right now, also known as current
Should we go
situation. No. Well, let's go home. Let me guide the way, okay? You're even Zoro would have reached home right now.
We haven't been there.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely not. We have definitely not been there.
Oh, just waiting.
We are going in circles and home is like, just for context, we are going in circles and home is like, right,
I don't know this.
maybe 50 footsteps in that direction. Ouch!
Be careful, Commander.
Holy shit. 50 steps in that direction, but
I think I have been
we somehow managed to go in circles. Like 2 times already.
I think I have been here for before.
Like if this was a driving exam, this guy would have made an 8 and passed right now.
I have been here?
Bro, it's been 33 minutes right now. 33 minutes we have been recording. Look at this.
Oh,
What do you
Wait.
say?
we'll go through this left way.
Where the heck am I stuck, man?
By the way, this cat.
Houses in that
This
direction,
guy
dude.
owns 2 cats. He killed one.
Nah, man, they both are alive. No, they both are alive. I'm not in China.
Out of 5, 3. 2 left.
Yeah, well, the other 3 went to their own homes separately.
Okay, who will believe cat went to their home?
I don't know.
I
Ah,
think we haven't been here.
yes, definitely we have not been here. Sometimes a man says something. Sometimes that makes you feel nothing. But this is not one of those
What's
instances.
the time?
What is the time? You say?
In
I
24
say
hours.
it is 17:21.
Oh, I think I need to get home now.
Yeah, exactly what I've been saying from last half an hour, dude.
But before we reach there, we'll see a good look.
Huh.
We'll see where the home lies in this stuff.
Man, that is anything but home, if you may ask me.
Get inside.
No. Holy shit, we have been wandering in the shit. It's been like an myth. No, not myth. Myth doesn't rhyme. Myth is shit. Wow, myth is shit. Damn,
Stay low.
that's embarrassing. Low. Sure, I'm low right now.
Not in those positions.
Damn. Sometimes I wanna say, you may be gay, but being gay is alright.
See yourself in mirror.
I don't know what else come after that. It's just being gay is alright, I guess. Not me though.
Those free things are for animals, for cheetah. I don't think I should go in there.
Hmm.
It's just getting into a trap. They have said beautifully. It's
Yep.
time. My friend has been waiting to hear.
What? Am I finally getting a job? Am I?
Yes! You are getting a commentating job.
Shit, I don't want it.
Now we should get back to our place. Through where we started from.
And where it is?
That way.
Sometimes in life,
I'm
people don't have wife, and that's a good thing. Because you may not fight. And what does that has to do anything with this? Because even though this man doesn't have a wife, I definitely might fight.
It says something else.
Huh?
It says something else. We should go from here, I think.
Sometimes man takes right decisions,
But it might be too grassy. Looking.
and then he takes the wrong one. Sometimes someone tells you directly through words that the way
That
that
should be the
leads.
way. Should be the way.
Sometimes I just want to die.
You see here?
Yeah,
It will help you die.
yeah, I guess. Bro, that is not the way. Come on.
Did we
That's-
go in there?
No,
Should
definitely not. Bro, I think you want to go home, right? I think your mom is waiting.
we? No one's waiting.
Oh, that's sad. Well, then you might as well just stay,
Okay.
is what I would say.
Caution
But
here.
this
we
man has made me walk 30 minutes.
Caution here. We don't have proper equipments. We don't have proper suit, gloves to get inside that. Nothing.
Yeah.
That's why we'll just pick a look.
Bro, that's what you have been doing from like half an hour. I want to go home.
I'll grant our wish.
Holy shit. Do you know where we are though?
Choose 3 ways.
Yeah.
One way
Huh.
to get home quick.
Huh.
Second, to get lost.
Yeah.
Third, follow my way.
I want to go home. The way one.
I have shuffled this 3 now.
Holy shit. The middle is always. No, the right is right.
3, 1, 2. The second is get lost.
That's what we have. That's. Oh man.
Have you been
Sometimes in life, no, definitely not.
there? Oh, I'm lost. I think so, I'm not.
Well, the way you chose is the way you are. Because getting lost can't happen when you're already lost. When you're lost in life, you lost the way. You wanna go back home,
Yes, we should
but
go.
there is no way.
It's easy.
Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard,
Oh, it's hard.
sometimes it's very,
It's hard.
very, very hard. And this, my friend, is one of the way. You might end up. I would have been gay. Man.
I think we should go. Okay, here. I think we can't walk through. As I said, caution for life. We don't have proper equipment.
Yeah. All he has is a knife. Oh shit, that also not.
Will you get me your knife?
Nah.
You have it.
Yeah, I have it, but that's not for you.
Then who?
And the knife is not the one you know. It's the one you saw.
You don't have a girlfriend.
Sowing seed makes a life.
Have you been there?
A life as great as a tree.
Have you been there?
That's the starting point.
That means that's the home.
No!
Yes.
That's the starting point of the video. Home is where you go, is not what it's true. I've been telling this to him through and through.
So I think home's that way.
Sometimes a little left is a little right.
We should get there, we should get left then.
I just want to ask you a question.
Yes.
Is this not the place that you recognize?
That
Isn't
was
this
the-
where we went a little bit before?
No.
What the hell? Bro, that's the tree you were talking about going under.
That was that tree.
Man,
the way,
that's the tree.
the way far.
No. Bro,
Let's go.
you're going in circle again.
Nothing will happen.
Oh man. When life gives you lemon, you make a lemonade. But when life gives you a circle, what the fuck do you do? This is a question, not a rhyme.
I think I've been there.
Because getting lost is not a crime. Crime is when you know the way and you still pretend to stay away.
That's the good line. That's the good line. The whole commentation I've done one thing. I think I've been there for like half an hour ago.
Eh.
So we should go that way.
This is finally
That way I think so.
the moment he made a decision that didn't fail, a decision that was right, and he might what? I don't know.
I think I saw something there under those bushes. Maybe a cheetah. We
Bro.
can't run.
Bro, this is the place. If you look around, you may find something familiar. It may
I
sound.
think I haven't been there on that tree.
This is the home. That's the direction to home. You can literally see home from here in between the trees.
Hey, camera.
Sometimes you don't get paid in life. This is one of those instances.
Is this stuff enough?
I'm not being paid. Someone save me. This guy in front of me,
It's the wrong way to climb.
do something to make me free. Damn. I don't know what this guy is doing. Whatever is he, he's doing one thing for sure.
Doesn't have a grip.
And that thing is, I honestly don't know.
Home.
I honestly don't know. It took him a while.
We haven't been there yet.
Yeah.
Have you been here?
Have we?
This might be a
You
corpse.
tell. Huh?
No, I can't. I've seen this first time.
Hmm.
That way.
Sometimes in life, yeah, I don't want to do this.
These bushes are too high. What if something came out?
In the random bushes of a jungle, there's a crazy creature. The
What?
creature that wears a specs on his eyes. This is what
Have you
it
been
is called as disguise.
there?
The disguise is what
Who's looking that?
saves himself.
Okay, someone is looking.
The disguise is
Okay, someone is looking.
I don't know the one who is looking,
Someone is looking.
but there is one person who actually is looking for a way back to home. But this man,
Okay, what's that?
that's for a show.
I haven't been there.
Bro, you have also not been in that direction, I'm gonna be honest. You have been in that direction for sure.
But I haven't seen that.
Yeah, because you are not looking, bro. That's where we were standing like a few minutes ago. There was the log.
Okay, I think
That
I haven't
fall.
been here.
Oh my god. Sometimes in life, you might have to lie. Lie in order not to rely.
Okay, sometimes it's muddy.
Sometimes there's water, sometimes
What's
there's
that?
air. But when water stops, what you're left it with is fear. This is a line for a neighboring country. A country that's been through a lot of wars. Some they
Caution for a life.
might have lost,
Look below you.
and others they still might have lost. But what they
You
doesn't
haven't been there.
is the pride. This is not a good thing because people rely. People rely on all of those lies. Those lies said to them by the rulers. Government they may call, but that's not what
A shirt.
we know.
We found a living.
Sometimes in
Yes.
life, phone gives you a message.
Yes.
The message it says that recording might end.
Huh?
The recording might end because there may be lack of storage.
Huh? The hell?
Oh shit!
How much more minutes?
I don't know. It just said it might just.
Poof. I
Hi.
think we need to get home quick.
Yes, run.
I think that way.
Sometimes in life, you can clearly see where you wanna go. The path is right front of you, right in front of you. But man doesn't wanna go. Sometimes in life, it's not what a fight
Come inside.
that kills you. It's a mosquito bite that fills you with pain that would have rained.
That way. Oh, that way. Hey, get inside.
Sometimes in life, you take a left turn, and then you take a right, and then another right. And then when you make a left turn, you're back on the path. But what does this indicate?
Have you been there?
This indicates that you have done some wrong decisions because the road was straight. Bro,
Huh?
I think we definitely can see home.
You're just lying to get more views.
Oh god.
Get inside.
Someone
you can see a
save
whole
me.
new kingdom.
Bro, it's been 50 minutes. It's been 50 minutes we have been recording.
Get inside.
Bro, this is a place where snakes live, okay?
See, that's the home. We finally came through.
Sometimes in life, the man is right. Even after a lot of wrong decisions, he had a fight. He fought for his way
Yes.
when there was no need.
I think
Because without a fight, he may not breed.
You may not.
Breed.
So
Because
Huh?
No. You leave that, I come back. You leave that. Also, I want to specify this is exactly the way we come from. Ouch.
Cameraman.
Cameraman never dies, man.
No, sometimes the camera never dies. Cameraman dies.
Yeah, well, true.
Have you been there?
That was the. Bro, bro, there is house right there, bro.
But have you been there?
No,
No.
no. We have been there. I am going home, bro. What is you wanna do is what you wanna do. It's
Just
not.
a peek.
No, man. I think you need to go home, cause it's already
I have been there.
17:40.
Oh, it's late.
What 17:40 is, you may ask.
It's late.
It is what military men
We finally
Are
reached our
tasked.
goal. We have won the race against time.
and your
we
camera
have
is
finally captured the.
your camera is lagging.
Yes,
It's,
I think I have won.
no.
Let's reach the home.
Camera has died,
Finally,
but the man has
live.
arrived.
Bye.
To whom you may.